Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can remove drawings and objects on TradingView. So this is useful for cleaning up your chart and avoiding clutter, making your analysis easier. So make sure that you have the correct version or plan for full features. So yeah, once you're here, what you will have to do is open a chart of your choice, and what you will do is click full chart. So yeah, just wait for it to load, and once you're here, what you will have to do is you will just have to delete in the your if you want to delete your individual object, you will just have to select it. So for example, this one right here. So what you will have to do is just click delete on your keyboard. So just like that, it's been removed. Or you could also delete use their delete or remove option, which is right here. So yeah, just go ahead and click that, and as you can see, it's gone. So yeah, that's just basically just it. However, if you would want to delete all drawings at once, you can just right click on your chart, and then what you will have to do is you will select uh this button right here, which you can see, it says remove two drawings because we have two drawings here. So yeah, if you have the same thing, you will basically just have to click this button right here, or this statement. So just go ahead and click that, and as you can see, it's been removed. And yeah, that's basically just it. And I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you, and have an awesome day.